Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Update Phonepe and confirm your phone supports system dark mode. Once done, open Phonepe and sign in so settings sync correctly. Make sure internet is active and app permissions like storage and display are allowed. This ensures new UI options appear. You don't need to root or change developer options, just have the latest build. Now tap your profile icon in the top left to access settings, because that's where the appearance controls live. You'll find theme choices under Settings, right arrow Display or Theme, tap it to reveal options. Choose Dark to force the app interface, or pick System Follow to match your phone's global dark mode. This helps preserve battery and reduces eye strain. Make sure to preview screens like Home and Payments so icons and text remain legible. If text looks small, adjust in accessibility. Once you select Dark, Phonepe applies the change instantly, no restart required, so check a payment screen to verify contrast. To finish, test a few key flows: payment screen, transaction history, and UPI flow to ensure nothing is visually clipped. If the theme didn't apply, close Phonepe fully and reopen. That often forces the UI refresh. If issues continue, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted resources. As a last resort, capture screenshots and contact Phonepe support with app version and device details. This helps them trace theme-specific bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.